everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my top 6 favorite Nykaa lipsticks. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So my favorite makeup product from the Nykaa brand is their lipsticks. I love the formula of almost all their lipsticks. They did a pretty good job on that. So the first lipstick I'm going to talk about is from the Nykaa Ultra Matte range. It's in the shade Nefertiti. The shade looks something like this. It's a really pretty peachy nude. I'm wearing it right now, but I'm just going to touch it more. I mostly wear it only in the center of my lips and then I spread it out, and in that way it looks really natural. So it's a really nice peachy nude and it would suit all the Indian skin tones. I really love this shade, and if you like these kind of peachy shades, you should definitely go for this. Now let's talk about the formula and the lasting power. This is a matte formula and it lasts for a really long time, and I love the formula so much. It's almost like the MAC lipsticks formula, and it even smells the same. It has this vanilla kind of smell, so I really love that. So if you cannot afford a MAC lipsticks but you really want one, you should go for this because it almost performs in the same way. I want to buy more shades from this collection because I love the formula so much, and even though it's super matte, it does not feel uncomfortable on the lips. It's pretty comfortable. I even use this lipstick as my blush and eyeshadow a lot of times. Right now I'm wearing it as an eyeshadow. I wore it very little so you cannot see it much, but it looks really natural and pretty if you use it on your cheeks and eyeshadow and just blend out with your fingers. The next lipstick is the Nykaa MATTElicious Crayon in the shade Lacy Lock. This is a perfect nude for me. It's a warm nude and I love warm nudes, and every time I buy a new lipstick, I buy a similar color because I just love this color on my skin. And if you're from medium to dusky skin tone, this shade is going to be perfect for you. These two lipsticks are my go-to lipsticks. I always reach out to them, and if I don't have much time to apply a liquid lipstick and stuff like that, I just apply one of these in the center of my lips, blend it out, and I'm good to go. I have a lot of lipstick videos on my channel. I have made a top 5 lipsticks for Indian skin tone. I've also made a top 30 nude lipsticks for Indian skin tones, and I've also made how to choose the perfect nude lipsticks for Indian skin tones. So I'll just leave the links to these videos in the description box below in case you want to check it out. So yeah, I really love the shade, and I love it formula wise. It glides on like a butter. It's super smooth and it's pretty matte, like it lasts for a really long time, but again it does not feel uncomfortable on the lips. It's like butter. It feels like you're wearing a lip balm. So I really love this formula. I think this is the most expensive out of all these lipsticks. I think it's for about 700 or something like that, but it's so worth it and it's really nice. Also, I'm looking to buy more shades from this collection because I just love the formula of these two lipsticks. Not this, these two lipsticks. So the next lipstick is from the Nykaa MATTElicious Liquid Lipsticks collection. This is in the shade Bombay. I really love this shade. It's kind of a neutral pinky nude. If you're looking for a pinky nude lipstick in the liquid lipstick range, you can go for this. It's really a very cute color. Yeah. It will look amazing on you if you're from fair to medium skin tones. If you're on the duskier skin tones, it might wash you out. So just try it before buying if you have a Nykaa store around you. It's a really pretty color. It's sort of an everyday office or college lipstick. And now let's talk about the formula. So when you're applying it, it's liquid in form, and when it dries completely, it becomes matte. So liquid lipstick can be pretty drying, and this one can look crusty if you apply too much. So make sure you're moisturizing your lips pretty well before applying. Just apply a lot of lip balm. But almost all liquid matte lipsticks are drying in nature, so you cannot really blame this lipstick. If you just apply 1 or 2 layers, it will be comfortable on your lips if you have moisturized your lips properly. If you apply a lot of layers, of course, it's gonna look crusty and it's gonna be really dry and uncomfortable. So yeah, that's it for this lipstick. The next lipstick is again from the Nykaa MATTElicious Liquid Lipstick collection. This is in the shade Madras Copy. This is a favorite shade for most people. I even gifted this shade to 2 of my friends and they love it. This is a brown nude and it looks so beautiful on dusky skin tones. So if you're looking for a brown nude which is not too brown and it's not too nude, this is a perfect combination. You can go for this. And formula wise, as I've said before, it's a liquid lipstick, so it can be pretty drying, so you have to moisturize your lips properly. When Nykaa launched their first 10 liquid lipsticks. They had a giveaway and I had participated in that. So I had to pose with my favorite Nykaa product, and coincidentally I had clicked a picture using this lipstick. This is the Lacey Lock lipsticks and I won. So I got their PR box of 10 liquid lipsticks. So that's why I have a lot of Nykaa liquid lipsticks if any one of you is wondering. Again, this is perfect for your everyday kind of makeup look for office or college. So the next lipstick is again from the Nykaa liquid lipstick collection. This is in the shade Guwahati. I'm usually not into red lipsticks, but I really love this shade. It's not your regular red bold shade. It's kind of a burnt orange kind of a red. So that's why I really like it. Whenever I don't feel like wearing a nude and I want a little bit of a color on my lips, I apply this lipstick. What I do is I first apply a nude lipstick. I mostly apply this Lacey Lock and then I apply the Guwahati in the center of my lips and I just blend it out. It gives a really nice reddish tint that way. I love the combination of these two lipsticks. They look really nice, and if you mix these two lipsticks, it looks similar to the shade Icon from the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick collection. So if you're like me and you're not very comfortable with wearing really bold red lipsticks, this is a perfect shade for you. And again, about the formula, this is a liquid lipstick, so as I've said earlier, just apply a lot of lip balm before applying this. The next shade is again from the Nykaa liquid lipstick collection. This is in the shade Maharani. It's dark red maroonish kind of a color. I wouldn't wear this color on an everyday basis because I'm really comfortable with wearing nude colors and not these colorful colors. But I really like how the shade looks on my skin, and it's perfect for weddings and events and stuff. It's perfect for brides as well. I really like this. Let me know in the comments down below if you think this lipstick looks good. So these were my 6 favorite Nykaa lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!